Hello friends, welcome to Stock Mart channel. India's presence in gold market is very significant. India, the world's second largest consumer of gold jewelry, has experienced rapid change over the last few years due to evolving demographics. Weddings and festivals remains the most important drivers of Indian gold jewelry demand. Bridal jewelry alone accounts for at least half of the market share. Over the long term, gold jewelry demand in India will be driven by developments in economic growth, income growth, and wealth distribution, as well as the rate of urbanization. India's gold jewelry exports have grown over the years, rising from US dollars 12.4 billion in 2019 to US dollars 19.6 billion in 2023, which shows tremendous jump, and experts believe that this will keep increasing year on year. Bridal gold jewelry dominates the Indian gold jewelry landscape. Gold, which is intrinsic to Indian culture, where everybody believes the same, which is closely tied to religious beliefs, tradition, and festivals. Bridal jewelry dominates the gold jewelry landscape, enjoying 50 to 55% of market share. Weddings, together with festivals, constitutes two major gold purchase occasions in India. In the absence of official records, the country is estimated to have around 11 to 13 million weddings per year, with women marrying at an average age of 22, and with more than half of the country's 600 million population below the age of 25, demand for bridal jewelry looks set to remain strong over the long term. Plain gold jewelry retains a dominant market share. Despite the traditional nature of India's gold demand, consumer behavior over recent years has changed and continues to do so. Plain gold jewelry maintains 80 to 85% of market share, and the majority of which is 22 carat, although the market of 18 carat jewelry is also growing. Weddings, religious festivals, and agriculture drive gold demand in India. Gold is deeply embedded in Indian culture, and purchases are often driven by tradition. Typically, all family members are involved in decision making about how and when gold jewelry purchases are made. If you look at gold jewelry's demand segmentation, bridal wear constitutes 50 to 55% market share by weight, with caratage preferences of 18 carat, 22 carat, and 23 carat. While daily wear's market share by weight constitutes 35 to 40%, with caratage preferences of 18 carat and 22 carat. Fashion jewelry's contribution by market share is at 5 to 10%, with caratage preferences in the range of 14 carat and 18 carat. On overall gold jewelry purchase behavior in India, regionally, South contributes 40% market share, with majority of people from Chennai, Hyderabad, Cochin, and Bangalore prefers buying gold jewelry. East contributes 15% market share, with majority of people from Calcutta prefers buying this jewelry. West contributes 25% market share, with majority of people from Mumbai and Ahmedabad prefers buying this yellow metal. However, North contributes 20% market share, with majority of people from New Delhi and Jaipur involved in buying decision. Size of gold loan industry in India. The gold loan market in India was valued at $2,921 billion in 2019, and it is expected to reach $6,275 billion in 2025, expanding a compounded annual growth rate of approximately 12.75% during 2020 to 2025 period. Future of gold loan. RBI data shows that gold loans disbursement has doubled from rupees 46,971 crore rupees in September 2020 to 80,617 crore rupees in September 2022. This is a massive jump. This figure is expected to touch down 1 lakh crore rupees this year. While we talk about this data, one company which comes in mind, which is MUTHOOT Finance, which is one of the largest gold loan NBFC companies in India. In addition to financing gold loans, the company offers other forms of loans such as housing finance, personal loan, insurance, money transfer services, and sells gold coins. The company is headquartered in Kochi in Kerala and operates over 4,400 branches throughout the country. Outside India, Muthoot Finance is established in the United Kingdom, US, and the United Arab Emirates. Overall, the company has presence in 29 states or union territories with 4,700 plus pan-India branches catering to 2 lakh plus customers served every day. Their team members size are 27,000 plus and loan assets under management valuing 6,76,385 million. If you look at the shareholding pattern of the company, promoters and the promoters group holding 73.35%, while foreign institutional investors and mutual funds holding 23%, while public is holding 3.65%. The stock is trading at the levels of 1,265 rupees with the market cap of 50,814 crores. The company's stock PE is 13.9 while industry PE is 23.7. Good to see that stock PE is trading well below the industry PE, which means the stock is undervalued. And now it is a good signs where we can consider the stock to accumulate for long term. Its ROE, that is return on equity, is at 17.6%, while return on capital employed is at 12.1%. So, which is a good sign as both ROE and ROE is more than 10%. Its operating profit margin is at 79.3%, while promoter holding is at 73.3%. So all parameters looks very good for this company. If we talk about the geographical presence of the company, they have a strong presence of 4,742 branches across India, with majority of them are from south with 59% of branches, followed by north with 17%, west with 17%, and east with 7%. The company's gold loan AUM, that is assets under management, is gaining scale over the years. So if we can see the data that every year it is growing gradually, and we can see phenomenal performance from March 13 from 260 levels to 660 levels in June 2023, which is very good. So as the case with interest income, which is also growing at rapid pace. On return on average loan assets, we could see that the performance of the company is increasing year on year, except for last 3 years, where in March 2021 it is at 7.99, came down to 7.24 in March 2022, and presently it is at 5.93. This is a temporary phenomena and nothing to worry as the company's fundamentals looks very solid and we could see a good rebound from here. If you look at the net worth, it is growing really well from 37,356 crores in March 13 to the levels of 2,11,771 crores in June 2023. If you look at the profitability, both profit before tax and profit after tax showing good gradual improvement year on year with rapid growth, except for the fact that this year it has not performed well. But considering the demand for the gold and its supply, we can see a good uptrend. If you see return on equity overall throughout the years, it is showing good performance. The company is having subsidiary with Asia Asset Finance, Muthoot Homefin, Muthoot Insurance Brokers, Muthoot Money, and Belstar Microfinance Limited, catering in the field of lending and finance. Muthoot Finance has been awarded India's most trusted financial service brand in the year 2023. This is the seventh row they are getting this award, and many awards are in the pipeline. So, with the increase in the income levels and urbanization, the demand for gold keeps increasing multifold, and this benefits for companies like Muthoot Finance as they are core in financing. And this stock is available at good levels, which can be worth considering for long term investment. So, friends, what is your say? Do mention your inputs in the comment box. And if you really like the content of this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe for more such interesting videos. Jai Hind.